All right, guys, today we're going to look at a windshield washer reservoir leak in this 2015 Sonic. And so what you normally have here, shine a little bit more light down for you guys, you normally have the washer level at this arrow that you see on the plastic down there. And in this particular unit, whenever you fill it to the arrow, it ends up overnight or over a day running back down into the tank. Now the tank's not leaking because if we switch our light, hopefully you guys can see this, maybe down below, the tank's glowing blue. It's full of blue coolant, washer fluid. So the problem is that it's leaking at this juncture. And this design here where it has this two-piece type of spout is used on the Sonic. It's used on a couple other vehicles that I'll put in the video title, I think like the new Trailblazers. You can give this guy a twist to the left and then pull it up. And what you've got going on here is this gasket has failed, this O-ring. And what we're going to do to repair this problem is simply to change this guy out. So we're just going to take this guy off and we're going to replace it with a GM 426-23839. Now this is a superseded number. There's some other numbers that I'll put in the video description that are discontinued now, but this is the current one that replaces all of those. It's kind of got like a double bag thing going on here. Now if we do this, we shouldn't have that problem anymore. Now we don't want to put any kind of a lubricant or anything on this because it's just washer fluid, and this thing is keyed. So it only goes in a certain way like you saw me do before. So we're going to go ahead and those notches that are down in the tank, we're going to line those up. And we're going to give it a twist. And now when we add our washer fluid back in, try to bring it up to that arrow. So let me set the light down where I don't have to hold it constantly. In fact, I might already be on that arrow. It's hard to see sometimes. Yep, there we go. So now we've got this guy full, and he's not running out. In fact, he's a little bit over full, so we'll give him a couple of squirts to bring him down. But that is the fix to the mysterious washer fluid disappearing in your Sonic. Hope this video helps you out. If you got questions about how to get the parts, check the video description or ask a question in the comments below. If you found it useful, go ahead and give it a like. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.